What's up everybody, Chad here, and welcome to the home of the Money Minute. Let's make sure we like, share, and subscribe. And I also love comments. I love the interaction. Please, if you have any of the ideas, we'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Today we're going to be touching on something that's going to take more than a minute, and that is credit card benefits. Namely, we're going to be talking about the AMEX Uber credit card benefit. Now, the Uber credit card benefit is available on both the personal platinum card and the personal gold card. I've watched a lot of experienced people who have made YouTubes about credit card benefits and how to use them. I've even seen them complain about how easy it is to forget these benefits and how easy it is to sometimes miss them because they're applied monthly on a use it or lose it basis. On the platinum card, you get $200 a year. That's $15 a month and $35 in December. And on the gold card, you get $10 a year, which amounts to $120. Now, if you happen to have both of these cards and you're working an Amex trifecta, that's $320 a year that you could potentially leave on the table, really through no fault of your own. But I figured out a way to think outside of the box. I'm personally somebody who doesn't use Uber Eats and Uber a lot. So with that being said, I have to find ways to use this in order to offset some of the annual fees of these cards. Now, I just have the platinum, but I also have kids. So a lot of people who do have kids can actually use Uber Eats to get child supplies, baby supplies, straight from Walgreens, CVS, and have it conveniently delivered to your door, and that way you use your monthly credit. Now, sometimes Uber does run sales, and if you order X amount of stuff, you can get the delivery fee knocked off, plus you can give your driver a tip. Totally up to you. Your miles may vary. But if you're one of those people who have both the gold and the platinum, and you're not really big on Uber, taking rides or eating, you can get baby supplies. But if you don't have a baby, most people also have pets. Now, what we try to prevent is at night, having that late night, we don't have dog food, we don't have cat food, we don't have wipes, we don't have diapers, and go paying a scandalous markup at a convenience store that happens to be open after hours. So I figured that's a great way in order to keep using your credit, and you can automate it since it's something that you use every day. You go to the gym, make an Uber order. It'll be waiting for you at your door. You go to work, make an Uber order. It'll be waiting for you at your door. And these are things that you know for a fact that you're going to use. That way, we don't leave money on the table. So I just figured that'd be a great way, a great tip to think outside of the box to make sure that you're using these benefits that come with the card anyway, because we want to make sure we keep our effective annual fees low. Well, that's just been a little game I want to drop off to you. Thanks for coming. Take it easy.